Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we are going to work on the project magnet code segment. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the reed switch. Then reed switch to the slide switch. Then the slide switch to whichever segment we need to display. For example, I am taking the middle one, that is G. And then it's negative to the ground. Now, when I will bring this magnet near the reed switch and when this switch is turned on, only then the segment is supposed to display. First of all, let's check when the switch is turned off. See, even if I bring this magnet close to the reed switch, the display isn't working because the switch is turned off. Now let's turn it on. Now let's check. See how the reed switch works only when the switch is turned on, and as soon as it's done, the segment starts displaying. And this is how it's done.